localhost Azure, and let's open this. What is this? This is a static router. Oh, sorry. Okay, hi, I got a message here, and this is the message as I sent that, and that experimental attachment. Okay, parts, that is the text. Okay, so let's see the final output message. The second message is ID this created at parts annotation. Yes, there is another property here, name annotation, and annotation is array, and then we got a perplexity object here, and we got citations. Okay, citations is the sources showed here, so we have to access the citation. So what can I copy property path? So what can we do? Let me create a function, JSX function, constant citations messages aim dot annotation is can be possibly null, annotations aim dot annotations perplexity 0. Sorry, we have to find this, find a dot perplexity citations is array, dot is array. This a is the JSON value, so there is no fixed typings. So citations will be something like a string array. So let me temporarily put a TS ignore here. So the type error is gone. So we can now return an array of div. So we can use a h4. Sorry, I can use a I am coding in the parts thing. So let me bring it back into the main message array. Formatting the document. I need this div with this class name. Sorry, I don't div class name. We'll place a is5 here. Sources citations dot map. We'll add a div here. So I think we are good to go now. Be HR. Let's see. Let's see. Either we can get the source or not. So I think the browser is still open. So if I say hi, sorry, let me ask this same question what I asked here in the Perplexity app. So let's see we can get the same response or not. Sorry, reading map. Oh, sorry, there will be a simple typo. Again, trying this. Sources, there is no sources. Targeting. Map is not a function. Oops. What? There is no site annotations. That was bad. Let me ask hi. Not a function. Let me console this log. Log citations. Annotations, find a that Perplexity dot citations. If I and the citations, that is an object. What kind of object is this? Perplexity. Perplexity citation. Citations. Citations. This should work, but I don't know why this is not working here. Oh, sorry, that is not the citation thing. That will be obj object, and citation will be like citations dot Perplexity dot citations. Please ignore. Now this is okay. Let's check. And if the citation, if citations dot, that will be the array of string. Not length, return null. Okay, let's check it. Let's check the output. So hi, getting Perplexity. Okay, okay, let's check the output. Hi. I'm still waiting for the answer. Sources. Okay. Vocabulary, Wikipedia, index cells. Okay, there is the Perplexity sources. We successfully able to show up there. So that's it, guys. See you on the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.